Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious lentil porridge. Usually this is made by the Muslim community and it takes hours to make it, sometimes overnight. However, this one which I'm going to show you is going to be a Chait's instant version which can be made within half an hour. To make this, all you need is lentils, oats and any leftover meat curry, and it's going to be delicious. So let's get started and make this wonderful porridge which we can enjoy. Take 1 cup oats, and soak the 1 cup oat as well in some water. Now I'm going to empty the soaked lentils in the pressure cooker. Next I'm going to add some water, just enough water to cook the lentils. Now cover the pressure cooker and let it cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. In the meantime, I'm going to put the soaked oats inside my blender and make it into a fine paste. So here you go. See, I made the oats into a fine paste, and now I'm going to keep this aside. Side. See, the lentils have all cooked now. Now in my cooking pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. And I've sliced 2 onions. And I'm going to now turn this into golden brown onions. My onions have now turned brown, as you can see. I'm going to leave half in my cooking pot, and I'm going to take half, little less than half for garnishing later. I'm going to keep this aside. Now to the brown onions, what I'm going to do is first going to add my mashed lentils. I'm just going to fry this for 2 minutes and then add my oats. You remember the oats that I had soaked and blended it into a fine paste. I'm going to add that. I've also kept a kettle which has hot water. Now keep in mind that every time that we're using water, we're going to be using the hot cooked water that we have in our kettle and not cold or lukewarm water. Once I've mixed this properly, I'm now going to add the leftover meat curry that I have. It already has meat inside it. I'm going to mix this as well. See how wonderful it already looks. Isn't that easy and instant? Usually to make this kind of porridge, it takes hours. It almost takes the entire night. People, cook it entire night to get into this consistency. But we're going to do this instantly without any hassle. It is now very thick. I'm going to add hot boiling water, around 1.5 cup to 2 cups, or depending how thin you want it. Now keep in mind this will again become thick. So as it is cooking, keep stirring it. Now let's season this. See, as you can see, it's becoming thicker and thicker. Add some salt as per your taste. Add salt. And finally add some garam masala. Use any brand garam masala. Or you can make garam masala at home as well. And stir it. Let this cook now for 2 minutes. I'm now going to add some finely chopped mint leaves. The mint leaves is giving a very delicious aroma to the porridge. Next, I'm going to add finely chopped coriander leaves. So here you go, the instant lentils porridge is ready. I'm sure you will love this. You don't have to waste your entire night or stay up the entire night just to make this. If you have leftover meat curry, use it to make this wonderful dish. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please do try this once at home and you will see how delicious it is. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this dish. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.